Hi, Mike Swanson of Wall Street Window here. I'm going to give you a quick update about the stock market. As you know, since April, the stock market has been declining, but in the beginning of July, we had a nice rally going into earnings season as stocks got extremely oversold as a whole, and traders decided to play the old game of buy the rumor and sell the news. In this case, that meant buy ahead of earnings reports coming out. Typically, this happens every time there's an earnings season, even in bull markets. You'll see stocks go up right ahead of earnings, and then as earnings news comes out, whether it's good or bad, a lot of times these traders who buy ahead of these earnings releases, they sell the news. And that indeed is what we've seen happen. If you take a look, for instance, of Alcoa, it came out earnings and it's been pulling back since then. Google came out earnings too, and it's pulled back. JP Morgan came out earnings last Friday. It's pulled back. And today, IBM had earnings on the close yesterday. They were bad though, and it pulled back. But it doesn't really seem to matter whether the earnings are good or bad the past week. When they're coming out, the stocks are selling off as people are taking profits on the news that bought ahead of this in July. So that's what's going on right now in the stock market. And this often is very confusing for the typical person that's just watching the TV or reading about these earnings reports, and sometimes there's good news and stocks drop anyway, and they get confused wondering what's going on. And there's ways you can take advantage of that, and I'm going to show that to you in the articles you're going to see right after this video. So read them, and I got a lot of stuff to share with you. I got a free guide to picking out stocks using a pattern that I found that seems to work fairly consistently in this market, and even a free newsletter where I can give you updates on what's going on in the stock market and what things we're looking at that we can actually make money in. So be talking to you later.